Hey there! Welcome to this week's grammar video for Unit 3, Green Listening. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the present perfect tense as well as the simple past. Let's get started. So you'll need to know what the simple past tense is. You'll need to know the spelling rules, both regular and irregular verbs, as well as how to form positive and negative statements. So in this lesson, we're going to talk about the present perfect tense. We'll talk about when to use the simple past versus when to use the present perfect tense. And we'll also talk about question structures. So to form the present perfect tense, you'll first need to start with the subject, then have or has, plus the past participle. As a reminder, have connects with subjects I, you, we, and they, where has connects with he, she, and it. For regular verbs, the past participle is the same as the simple past form. However, for irregular verbs, the simple past and past participle are usually different. A few examples. In the simple past sentence, I was in Dubai last week. In the present perfect, we would write it as, I have been to Dubai. Take a moment, pause the video, and look at the structure of the sentence. Practice writing a few of your own. So in English, we use the simple past when we want to talk about something that happened in the past with a specific past time. For example, the astronauts landed on the moon in 1969. Or, I ate pizza yesterday. I studied in London last summer. I was in Dubai last week. Again, in all of these sentences, we're talking about something that happened in the past at a definite time. So specific time words or phrases we can use when talking about something in the simple past tense are yesterday, 1 year ago, last week, when I was a child, when I lived in Al-Hassa, last Ramadan, earlier today, that day. Again, all of these are specific points on a timeline and should be written in the simple past. So in English, we have 3 specific situations that we'll need to use the present perfect tense. The first one, use the present perfect to talk about something that we have or haven't done in the past. Again, the focus on this statement is that the event happened or didn't happen, not when. Some examples, humans have walked on the moon. Humans haven't walked on Mars yet. She has eaten sushi before. She hasn't eaten sushi yet. I have been to Dubai. I haven't been to Abu Dhabi. Again, in these statements, the focus is that the event happened, not the specific time when it happened. You'll also need to remember that yet only goes with questions or negative statements. We use it when the subject hasn't done something in the past, but they will in the future. Some examples, I haven't been to Jeddah yet. Have you met Ali yet? Take a moment to pause the video, practice writing some sentences, and perhaps some questions using yet. Now, the second situation in English when we use the present perfect tense would be to talk about something that has been done more than one time in the past. For example, they have seen the movie many times. She has eaten sushi before. I have been to Dubai 3 times. This is his favorite store. He has shopped here over 100 times. Again, in these statements, the focus is on the fact that we've done these things many times in the past, but we don't know exactly when. Also, you can use adverbs like once, twice, 3 times, many times with the present perfect tense. For example, I have been to the moon twice. And finally, the third situation to use the present perfect tense would be to talk about something that started in the past and has continued until now and will probably continue into the future. Some examples, she has lived in Al-Hassa since she was a child. I have been in Dubai for 3 weeks. I have waited for 3 hours and my food still isn't here. You'll also have to remember that we use for with a number to show the amount of time. So for 3 years, for 7 minutes, for 100 days. And we use since with a specific point in the past. So since I was a kid, since 1992, or since October. Take a moment to pause the video. Again, practice writing a few more sentences. Now, looking at our question structures, first for the simple past. In yes or no questions, you'll remember that you need to start with did, followed by the subject, and then the base verb. For example, did you eat lunch? To answer this, yes I did, or no I didn't. In WH questions about something in the simple past, would start with a question word, followed by the helping verb did, then the subject, and then the base verb. For example, when did you study? Now, for yes or no questions in the present perfect tense, you'll first need to start with have or has, followed by the subject, and then the past participle. Again, as a reminder, you have to choose have or has based on the subject of the question. An example, have you been to China? Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. For WH questions, start with the WH question word, followed by have or has, then the subject, and then the past participle. For example, why have you been late 4 times this week? Take a moment to pause the video, practice writing some questions in both tenses. So again, just to review the purpose of questions, when we use the simple past, we want to know the specific time. So when did you go to Dubai? I went to Dubai last summer. In the present perfect, I want to know if you've done it yet. Have you been to Dubai? Yes, I have. I can also use the present perfect to ask about how many times you've done something. For example, how many times have you been to Dubai? I have been to Dubai 4 times. We can also use it to ask about the length of time because it started in the past, it's continuing into the present, and will probably continue into the future. For example, how long have you been in Dubai? I have been in Dubai for 3 years. Now, let's take a practice quiz. Pause the video and answer all the questions. Once you're finished, press play and we'll talk about your answers. Question 1. They blank the test yet. They should finish in 20 minutes. You'll remember that if we have yet, we need the negative. Since we have the subject they, we need have plus the negative and the past participle, so B is the correct answer. Question 2. I blank English for 3 years, but I quit studying last week. Again, this action is finished in the past, so we use the simple past. So D is the correct answer. Question 3. I blank English for 3 years. I study every day. Again, in this statement, we have an action that started in the past, continued to the present, and will likely continue to the future. So we use the present perfect. We have the subject I, which connects with have, followed by the past participle. So A is the correct answer. Question 4. Michael Jackson blank in 2009. Again, in this statement, we have a specific date, so we know we need to use the simple past. A is the correct answer. Question 5. I blanked to Dammam many times because my grandmother lives there. Again, here we're talking about something that happens many times in the past, but not at specific times, so we should use the present perfect. We have the subject I, which connects with have, so C is the correct answer. Question 6. Have you blank at Family Village restaurant before? Again, we're asking about something you may or may not have done in the past, so we can use the present perfect. A, eaten is the correct answer. That's it for this lesson. As always, I hope you thought it was useful. Class dismissed.